Rural economies, and particularly upland rural economies like the Yorkshire Dales, are pretty fragile economically. The whole thing is held together, and it wouldn't take much for something to start to unravel it. So pubs are really important, local businesses and shops are really important, local provenance in terms of food and drink, and clearly transport is really important. The Wensleydale Flyer is the kind of thread that pulls the whole thing together and enables people who haven't got access to a motor car or choose not to have access to a motor car to move around the Dales. But without Acorn Stairlifts stepping in, the Wensleydale Flyer probably wouldn't be keeping going long term. And so all of us in this part of the world and all visitors to this part of the world owe Acorn a debt of gratitude. They saw an opportunity to do something for the greater good, to put something back and to satisfy part of their corporate social responsibility. We should applaud them.